Thanks for tuning in to Lumpy Life. This is Kevin.
And Maria.
And we got 8 days left until we're headed on over to the Philippines. Time goes pretty quick. It actually went kind of slow since I left my job, but we've been extremely busy. We sold the house. We moved out July 5th. I think that was our last video, last night in the house. Ever since then, it's July 23rd now. And again, we have 8 days left. What you got there? A lily.
I'm sorry.
We're sitting behind a big lily pond here.
I feel so bad for her. But too pretty.
It is very beautiful.
Couldn't resist.
But yeah, big lily pond here at Rude Bridge Park here in Hillsboro, Oregon. We moved out July 5th, and then we did a Pacific Northwest tour. I grew up in Washington State, and we went up there and started in Bellevue and saw my mom and my brother and my sister, and then we went over to Eastern Washington to Yakima and said goodbye to my dad and sisters, and it was pretty cool. Saw my brother too, Jared. Yeah, and now we're back in Hillsboro. My son had a baby girl, so we got a new granddaughter on the 18th. Her name is second granddaughter, Delilah June, and she's doing good. Mom's doing good. Dad's doing good, and we were blessed to be here. July 18th, she was born. Today is July 23rd again, and 8 days left. But just kind of wanted to. We haven't left you, YouTube. We've just been extremely busy, and my next video is going to be probably something that doesn't pertain to you. It's more for family, but it's just going to be our shots from visiting family and friends. So please stay tuned, and next time you see us, we're going to be in the Philippines, guys. Oh my gosh, it's coming up. Are you excited?
Of course. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. I'm excited too. It's just, it's still a little scary. I called all the banks, told them where we were going to be, and so that's squared away. And I think I got all the paperwork done, all the things that we needed to do. Bags are packed, but 8 days, guys. We'll see you over there. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see a little more. And next time we're going to be in the Philippines. All right, guys. We will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Adios.
Mahal kokeo. Bye-bye.